Vicks DayQuil and NyQuil Severe Cold A Flu Honey, liquid over-the-counter medicine. When a cold comes on strong, knock it out with Vicks DayQuil and NyQuil Severe Honey flavor cold and flu liquid medicine. Just one dose of this over-the-counter medicine starts working fast to relieve 9 of your worst cold and flu symptoms to help take you from 9 to none, flavored with real honey. Vicks DayQuil and NyQuil Severe Honey formulas provide fast, powerful, maximum strength relief for your worst cold and flu symptoms. With this DayQuil and NyQuil Severe Honey flavor liquid combo pack, you'll have the cold and flu multi-symptom relief you need on hand. And try Vicks DayQuil Severe Honey for fast, non-drowsy daytime relief, and use Vicks NyQuil Severe Honey when you need maximum strength, nighttime relief for your ugliest, roughest, toughest cold symptoms so you can get the rest you need. Vicks DayQuil Severe provides 9 symptom relief to treat coughing, stuffy nose, minor aches, chest congestion, sinus pressure, sore throat, headache, and fever. Vicks NyQuil Severe provides 9 symptom relief to treat coughing, stuffy nose, minor aches, sneezing, sinus congestion, sinus pressure, sore throat, headache, and fever. Vicks has been trusted for over 125 years to relieve your cold and flu symptom.